Welcome everybody, this is another video. It's your boy Crypto Weapon here to showcase Quopi AI, which has been pumping and printing money for days, weeks, months. Now with this platform, guys, I've gone in with two initial packages, one for 500 and another for 100. So I'm all out with my initial capital. This is all house money that's left in this platform. I started off with 500 USDT package. I got 330 roughly back, and then I went back in with 100 USDT, and I'm obviously looking to crank that up. This platform has been going for 8 months and is on the verge of doing 1 year. So we've got to respect the devs. We've got to respect platforms that stick around, platforms that deliver. And that's why this platform is held by myself to a high standard and with high regard. I've obviously sat on this platform. I haven't come in for about a week. This is the type of platform where you make a deposit, you let your money work for yourself. And I personally tend to forget that I've got income in this platform, that I've got a capital investment in this platform. It's been over possibly 4 to 5 days. On the weekend, I do a withdrawal. No longer do I go into this platform every day and withdraw. I still do advise everybody in this platform to go in, withdraw, get your money out on a daily basis, make sure it's working, familiarize yourself with every and each platform that you're in. As far as I'm concerned, this is the deposit and forget platform. All right, guys, so off the rip, I can see that this platform is going to be offline for 69 hours. Now, for me, today is Saturday, and 48 hours should be Monday, 4 o'clock for me in London. Now, obviously, it's way more than 48 hours, which basically tells me that there's something going on Monday in the New York Stock Exchange. So that obviously insinuates that Monday is probably a holiday, and there are extra hours because it's going to come back alive on the Tuesday. So it's always important to bear that in mind. If there is a holiday, stock exchange in New York is closed, then you're not going to get any trading activity. This runs with the New York Stock Exchange hours. Alright guys, so it is important to say that this video is courtesy of Crypto Earning Weapon, which is showcasing all the DeFi projects that have been worth my while. And withoutstanding that, we're also showcasing projects that are standing the test of time and that are popular in the DeFi space and that can afford you concurrent profits from your investment. So if you're interested in Quopi AI, which a lot of people are, there's a link in this description. Take a look at it. It'll take nothing more than 2 minutes for you to get involved and sign up and register. Always do your due diligence when you go into projects like these. Just put what you're able to afford. Risk capital is my personal advice to yourself, like I have done, and obviously come out on top. Now all I have in the platform is house money. So this platform, all it's doing is making me profit day in, day out. I'm obviously looking to go in with more, but that won't affect it. It'll still be more of the profit I've already made within the platform. It'll mean the world to the platform if you could like and subscribe and get us going. We've only got 229, which is a lot, and I'm humbly happy with that. And if we can get that up to 300, that'll be a great blessing for the channel. Right, now back to business. Let's execute a withdrawal. So what we're going to do is or maybe better yet, let me show you how to invest in the platform. So you would click manage funds. You would click stake funds because that's what you're looking to do. You would select the cryptocurrency that you're looking to use. I use USDT Tether. Once you click that, you can scroll down to outer wallet or platform balance. So you would use outer wallet most regularly because you would be investing funds from outside and you would need a crypto wallet to do so. You would input the amount that you were looking to invest. Let's say that was 100 USDT, and you would click stake Quopi AI. So now what that would do is it would afford you a crypto address, which you would take across to your crypto wallet, and you would do a withdrawal to this crypto address, and that would obviously deposit very quickly, almost 2 to 3 minutes. You should have that in the Quopi AI account that you would have set up, and you're good to go. In this instance, we're going to look to do a withdrawal. So what we're going to do is go across to manage funds. We're going to look to withdraw funds. If we scroll down, we deposited in Tether USDT, so we can withdraw in Tether USDT. We're going to input the withdrawal amount, but that's obviously based on what we have in our account. So let's say 14. Let's put all the decimal places relating to our withdrawal so we can get every cent that's input our 2FA. Now remember guys, when you do get involved with these platforms, make sure your 2FA is set up and good to go to avoid any loss of funds due to hackers and anything untoward happening within your account. So I'll pop that in. You click withdraw, you wait for it, and well done, it's processing. Now this withdrawal should take no more than 5 minutes, 10 minutes maybe, and you should be good to go. Now guys, this is obviously a brief video just looking at my account. Now guys, you are able to look at all the transactions that you have done within Quopi AI. So if I go across to home, scroll down, better yet, if I go to manage funds, my stakes, it can give you an overview of what we do have staked in here. So I've obviously made a profit of 42%. I made 142% ROI, which means I've got out all the funds I've staked. So as it clearly says here, I've staked 599. My initial stake was 500, which was just here, and I was in there for 30 days. I've obviously got the 300 out, or 300 odd out of this platform, and then I went back in with 100. Obviously this platform is always continuously upgrading, and it's improved with this element of a PDF report. Let's click on there and see what it looks like. I haven't done that so far, but what we clearly have here is probably just a report of what's gone on with my funds. So on top we should see a summary, 500 USDT, I profited 319, and there it is, 63% in 30 work days. Now of this 319, I've gone in with 100 of that, so it's all house money for me now, and that's what we want to do with these platforms. Get in, get out, let the platform work for you, and all you do is earn passive income. So if I go back across to here, that's about it, guys. Short and sharp. This again is a breakdown of everything you've done. I am looking to go back into this platform. We will open another staking, trail behind this, and just make sure I'm continuously benefiting from Quopi AI, which is obviously a staple in the DeFi space. Join Quopi AI Telegram group, join my Telegram group, get updates on what's going on with Quopi AI. There's over 3,000 members in the Quopi AI Telegram group, and let's eke out as much as we can from these platforms. On that note, guys, like, subscribe, support the channel. I'll keep doing videos on my journey and what's working and what's not. This platform is working and it's been around for 8 months, I must say, categorically, and I haven't had no problems, no issues. It's printing our money, and all we have to do is consume the funds that come out of it. Now, on that note, guys, this is Crypto Weapon. I'm out, y'all.